Hey everyone, this is Eric with VBA.com, and today's video is on how to delete blank rows with VBA. So let's just say that you have let's say you just downloaded something from your mainframe database or some other database, and you get the data that looks kind of like what you see on the screen with a bunch of blanks. It's gun formatted, and you have several thousand rows, or just you wonder how I can't. It's going to take me forever to delete all these rows. So what you need is some way of having a macro that deletes all the blank rows for you. Well, luckily for you, back at VBA and the VBA answers page, I have this cut and piece of code here that we can just copy. I don't even need to do that. I just click. First of all, I need to select because when you come here, you're just going to see all categories. It's going to be blank. And it's going to be blank. There's, it's going to be like this. And you'll select on Excel for this one. And then it's going to show on your screen here all the Excel examples. There's another video, and here you can see it in action. So we're going to go down to delete blank rows. Click on copy. It says it's copied. We go over here to the Excel page that you're working on, and we want to delete all these blank rows. And so what we're going to do is go into the VBA Editor, press on alternate F11, and they're just going to get it. This was my where I got the data from. That's where I got the data from, public open datasoft.com. You can go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, no special tricks here. And so anyway, I'm going in here. What this is saying is that select column A, okay, and then look at the blank cells, and then select the entire row and delete it. So here I go. I'm going to press F5 to run the code, and bang. And I get the little whirly bird hourglass. Let's see what happened with this. It's done. Okay, well, it's still going. As you can see, the hourglass is still spinning. It has to go through like 15,000 rows, and so it's going to take a bit of time. So I'll speed the video up, and you can see the end result in just a moment. Okay, normally it would delete blank. It would have deleted faster, but it only took a few seconds to do. But I'm running the video on it as well, and as you notice, the blank ones are gone. The blank cells. Or press if I just click on a cell in A1 and press the down arrow, and then and a down arrow, I notice that that's the end of the road. There are 139,000. That's quite a few. And then I press the end, down, and up arrow, and up arrow. And so anyway, the blank rows are deleted. Hope you got value from this. Coming out to VBAHowTo.com. Coming out to VBAHowTo.com, and you can get the code again. Just copy it, and then you're good to go. And I have quite a few other samples out here for you. Just copy and paste them. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure that you click the subscribe and like the video. Subscribe for more on this topic and other VBA topics. Bye.